Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Flightaware app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Flightaware is a flight tracking app developed by Flightaware LLC that provides real-time flight status updates, live tracking maps, and aviation data for both commercial and private flights. The app offers features such as worldwide flight tracking, detailed flight histories, airport delays, weather conditions, and push notifications for flight status changes. It's used by frequent travelers, aviation enthusiasts, pilots, and even airline staff. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users consistently praise the app for its accuracy in real-time flight data and intuitive map visualizations. The interface is easy to navigate, and features like aircraft type info, altitude, speed, and estimated arrival times are especially useful. Frequent flyers appreciate the ability to track inbound aircraft and receive timely notifications, which helps with planning airport pickups or monitoring travel disruptions. Some also like the custom alerts and integration with Apple Watch and widgets. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While the basic features are free, more detailed tracking options, like tracking specific tail numbers, full flight histories, and premium map layers, require a subscription to Flightaware Global or Enterprise plans, which can be expensive. Some users also report occasional delays in data updates or app crashes on older devices. And for casual users, many of the aviation-specific metrics might feel overwhelming or unnecessary. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Flightaware app may be worth using if you're a frequent traveler, aviation professional, or someone who needs accurate and real-time flight tracking. It excels in live data accuracy, user-friendly maps, and alert customization. However, if you only need basic flight info occasionally or aren't looking to pay for advanced tracking, the free version may be all you need, and the premium version might not be worth it. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.